How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to install iOS 16 beta 1 on your iPhone. Now there will be a list of all the compatible iPhones down in the description below if you want to check that out. So before we start this, you're going to want to back up your iPhone, whether that's on your PC or do an iCloud backup. I like to back up my iPhones on my PC so that I know for sure I have the backup. If you don't know how to back up your iPhone, all you have to do is plug it up to your Windows PC or your Mac and download iTunes. From there, you'll be able to back it up. So now we can just go to Safari. And as you can see, I have beta profiles typed up. Click beta profiles and you're going to want to scroll down until you see the device that you're using. You're going to go to install profile, install anyways, and we're going to go to allow. So it's going to say profile downloaded. Once it says that, you can close. We can go to settings, general, scroll down. Once you get to the bottom of general, you'll see VPN and device management. You want to click that. And you will see the profile on here downloaded. So you're going to click the profile and you're going to install it. Once you get here, you're going to have to type in your password. Next, it will have a consent form. You're just going to click install. Then it's going to prompt you to restart your device. So from the home screen, you're just going to go to settings, go to general, and go to software update. Once you've gone to software update, you should see that you have the iOS 16 developer beta, and you can also see that it's about 5 gigabytes, so you have to make sure you have enough space. From here, you can just press download and install. And once you've pressed that, it should download the beta onto your phone. So it has about 7 minutes. I'm going to let this download and we'll be ready to install. So once it's finished downloading, it'll say install, but you're going to want to make sure you have a power source or you're at least at 50% charge. Otherwise, it won't let you install it. So you just want to press install. It's going to say verify and update. Once it's done with that, the phone should reset, and once it's powered back on, we should see iOS 16. So I'm going to let this load through and we'll be back when it's finished. So we now have iOS 16 installed, and as you can see, I can hold down the lock screen and the customization will show up. We can go to this plus and it will add a whole bunch of features that we can customize on iOS 16. If you want to check out some of the best features, I actually made a really short video on the top 5 best features of iOS 16. You can check that out in the description below. But guys, that's going to be it for the video. There will be newer betas that release. You can actually just go to your settings and go to software update, and you should see it there once it's released, and you can continue to stay on the beta up until the actual software releases. If you don't like the beta and you want to uninstall, all you have to do is restore from the backup we made in the beginning of the video, and your phone will be back to normal. With all that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.